Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a concrete modulus of elasticity problem for your FE review. In this case, we're told about a reinforced concrete beam made out of normal weight concrete, and it has a compressive strength of 5 ksi. It also tells us the beam is exposed to a temperature of 75 degrees Fahrenheit during testing, and we need to solve for the modulus of elasticity in ksi. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to our FE reference manual on page 275, as you can see right here. And we're going to go to these formulas for concrete design. And as you can see, we have a formula for the modulus of elasticity. Okay, so I went ahead and wrote the formula right here in the notebook. So in order to solve for the modulus of elasticity, we're just going to do 33 times the unit weight of normal concrete. So that is going to be 150 pounds per cubic feet. That is going to be a number that you should probably remember for your FE exam for normal weight concrete. And then now we're going to raise that to the 1.5 power and multiply it by the square root of 5,000 psi. That's another thing that you need to keep in mind is whenever you're doing the concrete design problems and you have the compressive strength of the concrete under a square root, you need to put that in there in psi. So even if you're given it in ksi, make sure that when you plug it in under the square root, it's in psi for the problem and the formula to work out correctly. Also, don't forget that you need to convert the pounds to kips in order for our answer to be in KSI, which is what the problem asks for. So then once you do the entire calculation, you're going to get the answer, and that is going to be 4,300 KSI. So if you take a look at the multiple choice, the answer is going to be A. So I hope this video was helpful for your FE review. Make sure to subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more videos like this. Also make sure to leave a like and leave a comment for what you would like to see us cover soon. And we will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.